अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट डेट्स टू रिमेंबर फॉर ऑल कंपेटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स। चाहे आप किसी भी एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं जिसमें जनरल नॉलेज के MCQs आते हैं, वो PPSC के थ्रू कंडक्ट होता हो, FPSC के थ्रू या कोई भी वन पेपर एग्ज़ाम हो, तो उन पेपर्स में डेट्स वगैरह से रिलेटेड काफ़ी ज़्यादा MCQs आते हैं। जो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट डेट्स हैं और आपको याद करनी चाहिए, आपको पता होनी चाहिए, और जो कमिंग एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए भी इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं, जिनमें FIA की तमाम जॉब्स हैं, असिस्टेंट सब इंस्पेक्टर, LDC, UDC, स्टीनोटाइपिस्ट, कारपोरल। इसके साथ ही पंजाब रेवेन्यू अथॉरिटी में इन्फोर्समेंट ऑफिसर, ऑडिट ऑफिसर की जो जॉब्स हैं, एंटी नारकोटिक फोर्स, इसके अलावा FGEI की जो टीचिंग और नॉन टीचिंग जॉब्स हैं, उन सब के लिए ये इम्पोर्टेंट हैं। इसलिए आज हम इन डेट्स को रिवाइज़ करेंगे। मैं आज PPSC ने प्लानर जो अपडेट किया है, इसमें म्यूनसिपल ऑफिसर फाइनेंस, इसका रिटन एग्ज़ाम 6 जून को होगा। बिल्डिंग इंस्पेक्टर का एग्ज़ाम 7 जून। एडमिन ऑफिसर, इन्फोर्समेंट ऑफिसर का जो एग्ज़ाम है वो 7 जून को कंडक्ट किया जाएगा। ऑडिट ऑफिसर 6 जून। PPSC ने प्लानर अपडेट कर दिया है। इन तमाम एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी के लिए आप लोगों के पास तकरीबन 1 मंथ है। इनमें से कौन कौन से एग्ज़ाम्स के आपको कंप्लीट सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग नोट्स मिल सकते हैं, तो उसकी डिटेल मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर देती हूँ। जिन स्टूडेंट्स को भी FIA की तमाम जॉब्स के लिए, पंजाब रेवेन्यू अथॉरिटी के इन्फोर्समेंट ऑफिसर, ऑडिट ऑफिसर के लिए, एंटी नारकोटिक फोर्स की जो जॉब्स हैं उनके लिए, या FGEI की जो टीचिंग और नॉन टीचिंग की जॉब्स हैं उनके लिए सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग कंप्लीट नोट्स चाहिए हों, तो जो WhatsApp नंबर आपको स्क्रीन पर शो हो रहा है उस पर कांटेक्ट करके आप सैम्पल रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं। WhatsApp पर ही आपको सैम्पल के साथ साथ जो पेमेंट डिटेल्स वगैरह हैं वो शेयर कर दी जाएंगी। स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के लेक्चर को। सबसे पहले जो हम डेट्स पढ़ेंगे वो इंडो पाक हिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड हैं, एंशियंट टू 1857। अराइवल ऑफ मोहम्मद बिन कासिम इन सिंध 712 AD। इस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ गजनवी डायनेस्टी 962 AD। फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ टेरेन in which Prithviraj Chauhan defeated Ghori in 1191 AD. Second Battle of Terrain, Ghori defeated Prithvi in 1192 AD. Establishment of Delhi Sultanate, Mamluk dynasty in 1206 AD. Death of Qutbuddin Aibak while playing polo 1210 AD. Reign of Razia Sultana, first female ruler of Delhi 1236 to 40 AD. Arrival of Ibn Battuta in India 1333 AD. Invasion of India by Taimurlan 1398 AD. First Battle of Panipat in which Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi in 1526 AD. Battle of Kanwaha, Babur versus Rana Sanga in 1527 AD. Humayun's defeat by Sher Shah Suri at Chaunsa in 1539 AD. Second Battle of Panipat in which Akbar defeated Hanyu in 1556 AD. Introduction of Deen-e-Ilahi by Akbar in 1582 AD. Most important है ये। Establishment of British East India Company, ये भी most repeated है, in 1600 AD. Construction of Taj Mahal completed in 1653 AD. Death of Emperor Aurangzeb Alamgir 1707 AD. Battle of Plassey, Lord Clive defeated Sirajud-Dowla in 1757 AD. Most repeated MCQs. Third Battle of Panipat, Ahmad Shah Abdali defeated Marathas 1761 AD. ये भी most repeated है। ये सारी डेट्स ही इम्पोर्टेंट हैं, लेकिन कुछ इनमें से ऐसी हैं जो तकरीबन हर पेपर में रिपीट हो रही होती हैं। नेक्स्ट है बैटल ऑफ बुगजार 1764 AD, डेथ ऑफ टीपू सुल्तान, फोर्थ एंग्लो मैसूर वार 1799 AD, annexation of Sindh by British 1843 AD, annexation of Punjab by British 1849 AD, the Great War of Independence 1857 AD. नेक्स्ट फेज़ है पाकिस्तान मूवमेंट 1858 to 1947. फर्स्ट है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट, ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ पावर टू द क्राउन in 1858 AD, establishment of scientific society by Sir Syed 1864 AD, Urdu Hindi controversy started in Banaras in 1867 AD, foundation of MAO High School Aligarh 1875 AD, formation of All India National Congress 1885 AD, partition of Bengal during era of Lord Curzon in 1905 AD, Shimla deputation met Lord Minto on 1st of October 1906, formation of All India Muslim League at Dhaka on 30th of December 1906. ये सारी डेट्स ही इम्पोर्टेंट हैं, सो इनको आपने सही से याद करना है। अगर ये सीक्वेंस वाइज आप इनको लेकर चलेंगे तो ये आपको याद रहेंगी। मिंटो मॉर्ले रिफॉर्म्स वेयर सेपरेट इलेक्टोरेट्स वर ग्रांटेड in 1909 AD, annulment of partition of Bengal 1911 AD, Qaid-e-Azam joined Muslim League 1913 AD, Lucknow Pact, joint demands by Congress and League in 1916 AD, Montague-Chelmsford reforms in 1919 AD, Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred on 13th of April 1919. Launch of Khilafat movement 1919 AD. Chori Chora incident, suspension of non-cooperation 1922, publication of Nehru report 1928, Qaid-e-Azam's 14 point 1929, Allahabad address by Allama Iqbal 1930, first roundtable conference 1930, Gandhi-Irwin Pact 1931, Communal Award announced in 1932, Now or Never pamphlet written by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali in 1933. Government of India Act 1935 passed in 1935 AD, Day of Deliverance observed by Muslims on 22nd of December 1939. Pakistan Resolution passed at Lahore on 23rd of March 1940. Arrival of Cripps Mission in 1942. Shimla Conference in 1945, Cabinet Mission Plan 1946, announcement of the 3rd June Plan 1947 AD, Independence of Pakistan 14th of August 1947. Post-Independence Pakistan 1948 to present. Death of Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah on 11th of September 1948. Passage of Objective Resolution on 12th of March 1949. Assassination of Liaquat Ali Khan on 16th of October 1951. Implementation of first Constitution 23rd of March 1956. First martial law imposed by Iskandar Mirza on 7th of October 1958. General Ayub Khan took over as president on 27th of October 1958. Indus Water Treaty was signed on 19th of September 1960. Implementation of Second Constitution 8th of June 1962. Indo-Pak War fought for 17 days in September 1965. Tashkent Declaration on 10th of January 1966. Agartala Conspiracy Case in 1968. First general elections in Pakistan on 7th of December 1970. Fall of Dhaka or creation of Bangladesh on 16th of December 1971. Shimla Agreement signed on 2nd July 1972. Implementation of the third current constitution on 14th of August 1973. Second OIC summit held in Lahore in Feb 1974. General Ziaul Haq imposed martial law on 5th of July 1977. Execution of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto on 4th of April 1979. Death of Ziaul Haq in a plane crash on 17th of August 1988. Pakistan conducted nuclear tests on 28th of May 1998. 28th May is celebrated as Yom-e-Takbir. Kargil conflict in 1999. General Pervez Musharraf took power on 12th of October 1999. Assassination of Benazir Bhutto on 27th of December 2007. Passage of the 18th Amendment in April 2010. Operation Zarb-e-Azb launched on 15th of June 2014. APS Peshawar tragedy on 16th of December 2014. FATA merger with KP according to 25th Amendment in May 2018. World history and international relations. French Revolution began in 1789 AD. Battle of Waterloo, Napoleon's defeat in 1815 AD. Opening of Suez Canal 1869. Outbreak of World War I, 28th of July 1914. Russian Revolution, also known as Bolshevik Revolution in 1917 AD. End of World War I on 11th of November 1918. Treaty of Versailles signed on 28th of June 1919. Foundation of League of Nations 10th of January 1920. Outbreak of World War II 1st of September 1939. Attack on Pearl Harbor on 7th of December 1941. Atomic bombing of Hiroshima on 6th of August 1945. Surrender of Japan. End of World War II 2nd September 1945. Establishment of United Nations on 24th of October 1945. Proclamation of the People's Republic of China 1st of October 1949. Korean War from 1950 to 1953. Launch of Sputnik 1 on 4th of October 1957. Cuban Missile Crisis in 1962. Neil Armstrong landed on Moon on 20th of July 1969. Iranian Revolution in 1979. Soviet invasion of Afghanistan, December 1979. Fall of Berlin Wall, 9th of November 1989. Dissolution of the Soviet Union USSR on 26th of December 1991. 9/11 attacks in USA on 11th of September 2001. Arab Spring began in December 2010. Brexit referendum on 23rd of June 2016. Russia-Ukraine conflict escalated on 24th of Feb 2022. नेक्स्ट सेक्शन है इम्पोर्टेंट नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल डेज. कश्मीर सोलिडरिटी डे ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन 5th of Feb. इंटरनेशनल वुमेंस डे 8th of March. पाकिस्तान डे 23rd of March. वर्ल्ड हेल्थ डे 7th of April. अर्थ डे 22nd April. लेबर डे 1st of May. वर्ल्ड प्रेस फ्रीडम डे 3rd May. वर्ल्ड इन्वायरमेंट डे 5th of June. International Day of Yoga 21st June. Independence Day 14th of August. Defense Day of Pakistan 6th September. International Literacy Day 8th of September. United Nations Day 24th of October. Iqbal Day 9th of November. Human Rights Day 10th of December. Quaid-e-Azam Day 25th of December. नेक्स्ट सेक्शन है मेजर इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. Foundation of the International Committee of Red Cross in 1863. Establishment of International Labour Organization in 1919. Formation of League of Nations, that is the predecessor to United Nations, on 10th of January 1920. Signing of the Bretton Woods Agreement, IMF and World Bank in 1944. Official establishment of United Nations on 24th of October 1945. Formation of the United Nations Children's Fund UNICEF in 1946. Creation of the World Health Organization WHO in 1948. Formation of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization NATO on 4th of April 1949. Establishment of the International Atomic Energy Agency in 1957. Formation of the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries in 1960. First Summit of the Non-Aligned Movement in 1961. Establishment of the World Food Programme in 1961. Foundation of the World Intellectual Property Organization WIPO in 1967. Establishment of the World Trade Organization on 1st of January 1995. Official formation of the African Union in 2001. Establishment of the International Criminal Court in 2002. Regional or specialized organizations. Formation of the Arab League on 22nd of March 1945. Foundation of the Colombo Plan in 1950. Formation of the European Economic Community in 1957. Establishment of the Regional Cooperation for Development RCD on 21st of July 1964. Formation of the Asian Development Bank in 1966. Foundation of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations on 8th of August 1967. Formation of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation on 25th of September 1969. Establishment of the Gulf Cooperation Council in 1981. Official launch of the Economic Cooperation Organization in 1985. First Summit of the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation on 8th of December 1985. Formal creation of the European Union via Maastricht Treaty on 1st of November 1993. Foundation of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization on 15th of June 2001. First formal meeting of the BRIC Group, later BRICS, in September 2006. Establishment of the new development bank, BRICS Bank, in 2014. Next session, Pakistan's membership milestones. Pakistan joined United Nations on 30th of September 1947. Pakistan joined Commonwealth in 1947. Pakistan joined SEATO, Southeast Asia Treaty Organization, in 1954. Pakistan joined CENTO, Central Treaty Organization, in 1955. Pakistan joined OIC as a founding member in 1969. Pakistan left the Commonwealth in 1972. Pakistan rejoined Commonwealth in 1989. Pakistan joined SAARC as a founding member in 1985. Pakistan became a full member of SCO on 9th of June 2017. Pakistan formally applied to join BRICS in November 2023. That's all about today's video. अगर आप इसी तरह की और इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं तो मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। साथ में मौजूद बेल आइकन को लाजमी प्रेस करना है ताकि जब न्यू वीडियोस अपलोड हों तो आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।